How to download House Flipper on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application on your Android device. Then on the search bar, just search for House Flipper. Then tap on it and you can see the option of House Flipper over here. So just tap on install and it will be installed in a short time. Make sure that your internet connection on the device is quite stable so that the process becomes faster and you don't have to wait for long to get it installed on your device. You need to be a little patient while downloading this app because it may take some time. Now it is about to get installed on our device. We'll just have to wait for a while, and it has now just started the process of installing. Now tap on play, or you can just select the options of play over here and it will lead you to the home page of House Flipper. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.